Hey you guys, today we're making chocolate cupcakes with a homemade chocolate frosting. Okay, let's get into it. So here are our ingredients just for the cupcakes. So you're going to need cocoa powder, flour, eggs, sugar, brown sugar, sour cream. You're also going to need oil, vanilla, salt, and you're also going to need some baking powder. Alright, full recipe ingredients are in the description. Okay, so we're going to start off by mixing all of our dry ingredients together. So just put everything into a large bowl, and then you're going to go ahead and grab your whisk and go ahead and mix everything together. Now my brown sugar was a little bit clumpy, so I just went ahead and whisk, and then also got in there with my fingers and broke those big pieces apart. So you just want to whisk it until it's fine, just like this. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix our wet ingredients together. So just add everything into the bowl, your eggs, your oil, and your vanilla extract. And then once again, you want to grab your whisk and you want to mix everything together until it's well blended. And after it's well blended, then you're ready to go ahead and add that into your dried ingredients. So I just added just these ingredients first into the bowl, and then turn around and follow up with the sour cream. Okay, you can also use a hand mixer, because as you can see, it's a little bit difficult with the whisk, but if all you have is a whisk, it will work. Okay, so just add your sour cream in there, and then you want to mix it until it's nice, creamy, and smooth, just like this. No white streaks of sour cream in there. So then you want to go ahead and just fill your cupcake liners about halfway full, not too much more than that to avoid spillage. All right. And then after that, you want to pop them in the oven for about 18 minutes, or until you can put a toothpick in there and it comes out clean. For the frosting, powdered sugar, heavy cream, cocoa powder, vanilla, and softened butter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the stand mixer for this, because I wanted it really nice and blended. So go ahead and add your butter and your cocoa powder, and then you want to start getting that blended. Start low, because of course the cocoa powder is going to kick up, but that's all right. Once it blends together about like this, then you want to go ahead and add the remainder of your ingredients into your mixer, or you can use a hand mixer for this as well if you don't have a stand mixer. During this process, you're also going to want to stop and go ahead and scrape down the sides of your bowl, so you can make sure that you get everything fully incorporated in your mixing of the frosting. Okay, so just like here, I'm just going to go ahead with my spoon and then turn it right back on. The frosting was a little bit thick for me, so I went ahead and added a little bit more heavy cream, and went ahead and turned my mixer up so I can go ahead and get it nice and whipped. Okay, so you can stop once it's at the consistency that you like, and once your cupcakes have completely cooled, you can go ahead and start the decorating process. So I just, I'm no frosting expert, so I just got in here and had fun. Just decorate your cupcakes nice and cute. You can also add sprinkles or whatever toppings that you desire to really make these cupcakes really nice and cute. And y'all, that is it. Once again, I hope that you love this recipe. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll definitely catch you next time. Y'all take care.